Hello. Are you struggling to understand how the Google Ads account structure works? So in this video, I'm going to demystify the account and how you can set up your account the right way. Hello, thanks for joining in. My name is Jose, and in this video, I'm going to go through the Google Ads account structure. Where are the ads saved? Where do you need to put the keywords, the extensions, negative keywords, and so on. So let me grab my iPad and we shall get started. Okay, start off at the top, account level. So under account, you have your billing. You can have your negative keyword list. You can also set up your extensions. And then the main bits, which are the ad groups. Call it ad group 1, 2. Now each ad group will have its own sets of keywords. It can also have negative words as well as ads. So you will put in your words in there. You will have your negative. You can potentially have your negative keyword if you are sculpting the traffic at ad group level. I'm going to put in a minus sign for negative keyword here. Then we have our ads. Now the ads can be a variety of ads you can put in the same ad group. So we could have our obviously extended text ads, ETA. We could have responsive search ads. Now if we have got a display campaign going or a video campaign going, so we could also have the responsive display ad or video ad in there. We could have also a call ad. There are lots of different types of ads which you can run on Google. Most people think that the expanded text ads are the only one which most people run. So the ad groups will hold all this information. Now with the video ads and the responsive display ads, these two, you will set up a different campaign because these are for display and for video. You will not put them together in the same ad group as the text ads. So what I'm trying to show you is just that where these go, where are they saved. You can also have negative lists or negative keywords set up at ad group level. You can also set up extensions at ad group level, campaign level, or account level. It really depends on how you have structured your account. So it's really important that you set up your account the right way. And what I mean by that is, let me get this up. Okay. So let's say you have got a electronic store and you are selling lots of electronic items. So the way I will structure your account or the ad groups is, and we're talking about search ads right now. So let's say you are selling mobile phones, TV, you can have computers, you could have, let's say, gadgets, and so on. So I will keep them as all as separate campaigns. So under mobile, I would then, or I may have separate well, not may, I will have separate ad groups for iPhone, Samsung, Sony, different brands, because then what you want to do is you want to make your ads super specific. If somebody is searching for an iPhone, you want your ads to say that product. Now be careful about the trademarks, because most of these brands are trademarked and you may or may not need special permission from these brands to run ads with the trademark on them. Otherwise Google will disapprove your ads, so you got to check that first. And the same thing applies with computers and TV, different brands, different makes, different models. Make them as specific. So let's say with TV, you have your brand 1, brand 2, brand 3, and so on. And that's how I would structure our ad group. And even for service-based businesses, you want to keep all your services separate. So let's say, let's take for example our agency. We have different types of services we offer. We offer Google Ads, we offer web design, we offer video, and so on. So I will keep them all as separate separate campaigns. But under PPC, we probably will have a different ad group for PPC, Google Ads, paid search, and so on, or any other ways which these services are named. So you got to be super specific when you break down all these ad groups and how you create your campaigns. What you don't want to do is to have all of these in one ad, because it does not it's not super relevant. It does not convey the right message. We may have different offers for our Google Ads, different one for web design, different for video, and so on. So keep them separate, and you'll find that your ad rank is you're getting a better ad rank from your campaigns. You get a better quality score for your keywords, and overall your campaigns, ads, and keywords are going to perform very well. I hope you enjoyed this video. We go live every weekday on YouTube at 4 o'clock in the UK. So if you have any questions or problems you are facing, please join in, and I try and answer every question which is put up during the live stream. So appreciate your time with me today. Thanks very much, and I look forward to seeing you sometime very soon. Bye for now.